Welcome to Simply Happy Now, where we explore the fascinating science of living longer, stronger, and happier through biological optimization. Today, we dive deep into the concept of hormesis, using mild, intermittent stress to activate powerful repair mechanisms within you. Think of your body as an adaptive machine that gets stronger when exposed to difficult but manageable challenges and environments. We will explore how extreme temperatures and specific nutrients can trigger genetic pathways that protect you from aging and disease.
Let us begin with cold therapy, a powerful stressor that wakes up your metabolism and sharpens your mind almost instantly. Exposure to cold triggers the production of brown fat, which burns energy to generate heat and keeps your metabolism active. Cold water immersion causes a massive release of dopamine, improving your mood and focus for hours after the session ends. This sustained dopamine release helps you maintain sharp concentration and a positive mental state throughout your busy and demanding day. By challenging your body with cold, you are essentially training your nervous system to handle stress with grace and resilience. Now we transition from the freezing cold to the intense heat, another ancient practice that unlocks incredible health benefits.
Sauna use mimics moderate exercise, increasing your heart rate and improving blood flow to every corner of your body. Regular sauna sessions improve cardiovascular health by reducing arterial stiffness and lowering blood pressure effectively over long periods of time. Studies suggest that using the sauna 4 to 7 times a week can reduce Alzheimer's risk by over 60%. This remarkable reduction in disease risk makes heat therapy one of the most powerful tools for extending your health span. Heat activates heat shock proteins, which repair damaged proteins in your body and prevent plaques from forming in the brain. These proteins are essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your cells, keeping your body functioning like a well-oiled machine. Beyond temperature stress, we can also activate these protective pathways through specific essential nutrients found in nature's most powerful food.
Let us talk about sulforaphane, a potent compound found abundantly in broccoli sprouts that triggers your body's detoxification system. Sulforaphane activates the NRF2 pathway, which controls over 200 genes responsible for antioxidant protection and anti-inflammatory responses. This activation increases the production of glutathione, the master antioxidant in your brain, protecting neurons from oxidative stress damage. Consuming these sprouts regularly is a simple dietary strategy to enhance your body's ability to clear out harmful toxins. It even helps excrete air pollutants specifically, making it a crucial nutrient for those living in modern urban environments.
Next, we look at omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, found in cold water fish and high-quality supplements. Omega-3s are critical for maintaining the fluidity of cell membranes, allowing receptors and transporters to function at optimal levels. Dr. Rhonda Patrick recommends a dose of 2 to 4 grams daily to powerfully resolve inflammation throughout the body. High doses of omega-3s have been shown to slow telomere shortening, effectively slowing down the biological aging process significantly. By reducing chronic inflammation, you protect your heart, your joints, and your brain from premature degeneration and disease.
Moving on to the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is actually a steroid hormone that regulates over 5% of your genome. Adequate levels of vitamin D are essential for gene regulation, immune system function, and maintaining strong bone density. Experts suggest aiming for a blood level between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter for optimal health benefits. Deficiency in vitamin D is linked to increased susceptibility to infections, autoimmune diseases, and accelerated biological aging processes. Since it is fat-soluble, ensure you take your vitamin D supplement with a meal containing healthy fats for absorption.
Lastly, we must discuss magnesium, an often overlooked mineral that is absolutely critical for DNA repair and energy production. Magnesium is required for the biological activity of ATP, the energy currency that powers every single cell in your body. Without sufficient magnesium, your DNA repair enzymes cannot function properly, leading to the accumulation of mutations over time. Deficiency causes insidious damage that you cannot see or feel immediately, but which accelerates aging in the long run. Adequate magnesium intake also supports muscle relaxation and deep sleep, allowing your body to recover fully each night.
By combining these stressors like heat and cold with potent nutrients, you build a resilient and optimized biological system. This is the essence of hormesis, embracing small challenges today to build a stronger, healthier, and more capable tomorrow. Start small, perhaps with a cold shower or adding more greens to your diet, and observe how you feel. Your body has the innate wisdom to heal and thrive. It just needs the right signals from you to start. Invest in your biology today, and you will reap the rewards of energy, focus, and longevity for decades to come. Remember that health is not just the absence of disease, but the presence of vitality and abundant life energy. Consistency is key. Make these practices a regular part of your routine to witness true transformation in your life. Share this knowledge with your loved ones, because the journey to better health is always more enjoyable when shared together.
You have the power to rewrite your genetic destiny through the choices you make every single day starting right now. Find balance between stress and rest, allowing your body the time it needs to recover and grow stronger. Master these 5 pillars: cold, heat, omega-3s, vitamin D, and magnesium, and you will unlock your full potential. The path to longevity is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to support our mission of spreading health knowledge. Check out our other videos for more deep dives into nutrition, fitness, and the science of living a happy life. Thank you for watching Simply Happy Now. Apply these science-backed tips today and subscribe for more insights into your health. Stay strong, stay curious, and remember that your best health is waiting for you just around the corner.
Simply happy now. Simply here, simply now. No rush, no chase, no why, no how. Just breathe it in. Simply happy now. Simply happy now. Stay gentle, stay kind. This moment is enough. Simply happy.